In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Airtable with Zapier. This powerful integration can streamline your workflow by automating tasks between Airtable and other applications, saving you time and effort. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive into the process. First, open your web browser and visit Zapier.com. Once you're on the home page, check the top navigation menu for the option that says Home. Click on it, and you should see your dashboard waiting for you. Now, from your dashboard, look for App Connections in the side menu. This is where all your integrations live. A click on that option will lead you to the Connections area. You're about to set up something new, so let's keep going. Next, locate the button that says Create Connection. This is where your new automation magic will begin. Click this button, and Zapier will prompt you to search for the app you want to connect. Start typing in Airtable. If you're using a mouse or trackpad, you can also simply scroll to find it. Once Airtable pops up in the search results, go ahead and click on it. Zapier gives you the flexibility to connect various apps easily, and Airtable is just one of them. The next step is just as seamless. After selecting Airtable, you will see an option that says Add Connection. Click this button to move forward. It's time to log into your Airtable account. This step is crucial since Zapier needs your Airtable credentials to facilitate the integration. When you click Add Connection, a login prompt will show up. Enter your Airtable account credentials, your email, and password. Just like that, you're almost finished setting up this integration. It only takes a few seconds to enter your information, and within moments, you'll be connected. Once you log in successfully, you will see confirmation that your Airtable account is now linked with Zapier. At this point, you can start creating automations called zaps. A zap is a workflow that connects two or more apps to automate repetitive tasks. For example, you might want a new record in Airtable to trigger an email notification through Gmail or to update another system. With this integration, you can explore various use cases tailored to your needs. Think about what tasks you regularly complete in Airtable and how combining it with Zapier could save you time. Remember, the beauty of using Zapier is in the customization. You can set up triggers and actions that only apply when certain criteria are met. So take a moment to brainstorm how you'd like to enhance your workflow. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Airtable with Zapier. I encourage you to play around with different zaps to fully harness the automation potential this integration brings. Make sure to revisit the dashboard frequently to keep track of your connections and see if any updates or new features could benefit you. Thanks for joining me today in this tutorial on integrating Airtable with Zapier. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content. Happy automating!